All right, let's get right into it. We're constantly surrounded by this message to, show it off. But what if I told you the real secret to building wealth that actually lasts is to do the complete opposite? What if the fastest way to get rich is to look poor?
I know, it sounds totally backward, right? But just think about it for a second. You've got guys like Warren Buffett, a literal billionaire who still lives in the same simple house he bought back in 1958. Or Mark Zuckerberg, who's famous for his plain gray t-shirts. See, they understand a truth that most people miss. Real financial power doesn't need a flashy billboard.
Welcome to my channel, The Financial Exit. In today's explainer, we're going to break down the 6 powerful and kind of counterintuitive reasons why adopting a low-key lifestyle isn't about being cheap, it's about being strategic. It's your ticket to building real, lasting financial freedom.
So, reason number 1. A low-key life just strips away so much unnecessary stress and clutter. It's about giving yourself breathing room, both mentally and financially, by sidestepping a very, very common trap. Just imagine this for a second. Someone just hands you the keys to a brand new, shiny red Ferrari. It's yours, free. The feeling is incredible, right? But then, reality sinks in. The insurance is 5 times what you're used to. It only takes premium fuel, which just drains your wallet. A single replacement tire, it costs more than rent for most people. And a basic tune-up can set you back thousands. All of a sudden, that free gift isn't a gift at all. It's a chain, locking you into a whole new set of bills.
And this perfectly illustrates a psychological trap that has a name. It's called the Diderot effect. It's named after this 18th century writer who got a beautiful, fancy new robe as a gift. Well, suddenly his old chair looked kind of shabby next to it, so he bought a new one. And then his desk looked old, then the rugs. Before he knew it, he was deep in debt, all because one flashy new item made everything else he owned feel, inadequate.
All right, let's roll into reason number 2, and you'll see how this all connects. Looking poor is, let's be honest, just cheaper. And that frees up cash that you can then put to work to build what I love to call your money snowball.
Seriously, think about it. The second a new phone comes out, people are lining up to trade in a device that works perfectly fine. It's no wonder that 6 out of 10 adults are living paycheck to paycheck. But what if you just didn't? What if you resisted a couple of those upgrades, cooked a few more meals at home? Saving an extra $500 a month is way more achievable than you think.
And do that for just 1 year, and suddenly you're looking at $6,000. That's not just some number on a screen, that is a real asset, a real pile of cash that you built from nothing simply by deciding not to spend it.
Now this is where the magic happens. You take that money, you pop it into a simple, low-cost index fund, you keep saving that same amount year after year, and over 25 years, the power of compounding interest turns that small, consistent effort into a massive snowball. We're talking one big enough to buy you your freedom.
So here's the key takeaway. People like Warren Buffett or the founder of IKEA, Ingvar Kamprad, who famously drove an old Volvo for over a decade, they understood this one crucial thing. Real power comes from money that is working for you 24/7, not from money that's just sitting in a garage, slowly rusting away.
Okay, on to reason number 3. A humble image does something really amazing. It acts like a filter. It attracts the right kind of people into your life, and, just as importantly, it repels the ones who will drain you dry.
I once heard this story about an expat in Hong Kong. We'll just call him Tom. He'd always show up wearing some crazy expensive watch, insisting on 5-star restaurants, and then he'd expect everyone to split the insane bill. He wasn't looking for friends, he was looking for an audience for his stuff. When you flash cash, you attract the Toms of the world. But when you keep it real, you find actual friends, people who value a good conversation way more than a fancy dinner.
And that actually leads us perfectly into our 4th point, the gratitude advantage. Living simply literally retrains your brain to appreciate what you already have, and that gives you an incredible psychological edge.
Psychologists call this the hedonic treadmill. It's the reason that lottery winners, after that first big burst of excitement, often end up no happier than they were before they won. The thrill of the new car just fades, and pretty soon you need an even bigger hit to feel that same rush. It is an exhausting and incredibly expensive cycle to be stuck in.
But here's the good news. You can absolutely break that cycle. When you train your brain to find real joy in things that cost next to nothing, like a hot cup of tea, a walk outside, a beautiful sunset, you're not just finding peace,
You're building up a psychological immunity to those expensive temporary thrills. It's the ultimate defense against mindless spending. All right, now for a super practical one. Reason number 5. Modest spending dramatically lowers the amount of money you need to become financially independent. You're not just saving more money, you are literally moving the finish line closer to you.
Let's just use the simple 4% rule as an example. Imagine two neighbors. The first one, the spender, spends $50,000 a year. They need a nest egg of $1.25 million to retire. But their neighbor, the saver, lives a great life on just $30,000 a year. They only need $750,000. That's $500,000 less they have to save to reach the exact same goal of freedom. And this exact discipline, this is the core engine that fuels the entire FIRE movement. Financial independence, retire early. It's how totally normal people with normal jobs are managing to retire in their 30s, not by becoming millionaires overnight, but by living on less and investing the difference year after year.
And finally, we've arrived at reason number 6. And honestly, this might be the most powerful one of all. Stealth wealth gives you a hidden advantage, a secret superpower in almost every area of your life.
Picture two contractors going to buy a big load of lumber. The first guy pulls up in a brand new pickup truck. He's got designer jeans on. The second guy shows up in a dusty old van and worn-out work boots. When they both go to the counter and ask for a discount, who do you think gets the better price? Exactly. The flashy guy is signaling he's got money to burn. The modest one signals that every single penny counts. And that edge, it repeats itself everywhere. In salary negotiations, when you're buying a car, everywhere.
But there's another incredible gift that comes with stealth. It's the freedom to fail without being shamed for it. See, someone who's always showing off can't take a risk on a new business idea that might not work out. But the quiet builder, they can try things, they can make mistakes, they can learn and get back up again, all while nobody is even paying attention. That freedom is pure rocket fuel for creativity.
So the next time social media dangles some shiny new thing in front of your face, just pause for a second and ask yourself this one simple question. Because true wealth isn't about impressing strangers with your stuff. It's about building a life that's rich in the things that actually matter. Control over your time, peace of mind, and real experiences.
Look, this choice lives in the tiny habits, not in some grand gesture. You can start today. In fact, you can start right now. Open your banking app and just move $10 into your savings account. Plan one night this week with a friend that's about catching up, not spending money. The sooner you start, the sooner that compounding snowball starts rolling for you.
Just picture yourself 5 years down the road. What do you want to see? A closet packed with clothes that are no longer in style? Or a bank account that's strong enough to fund any dream you decide to chase? The quiet path might not get you a bunch of flashy likes on social media, but it will build something so much more valuable, a life that you never, ever feel the need to escape from. If this playbook for quiet wealth resonated with you, show some support with a like, and I'd love to hear your own stealth wealth tips down in the comments. And for more strategies on building your own path to freedom, go ahead and quietly hit that subscribe button for the financial exit. Thanks for watching.